When you look at a tree, what do you see? Something still, silent, maybe even simple? Well, what if I told you that trees are some of the most active, complex, and intelligent living beings on our planet? Today, we're going to uncover the hidden world of trees and explore some truly amazing facts that will change the way you see them forever. Let's start with something that sounds like science fiction. Trees can talk to each other. Yes, you heard that right. Beneath our feet, there's a bustling network of tiny fungi connecting the roots of trees, often called the wood wide web. Through this network, trees send chemical signals to one another. They can warn their neighbors about insect attacks, alert them to diseases, and even share vital nutrients with weaker trees in the community. It's a sophisticated communication system that has been operating for millions of years. And it gets even more personal. Research has shown that trees can recognize their own family. When a tree is growing next to its own saplings or siblings, it will grow its roots in a more careful, less competitive way, almost as if to make space for its relatives. But when it's next to a stranger, the competition for resources like water and sunlight becomes much more aggressive. They know who their family is and they look out for them. Trees aren't just passive growers either. They are strategic movers. They don't just grow wherever there's space. Over days, months, and even years, they carefully and deliberately bend their trunks and branches to find the best possible path to sunlight. They are constantly making decisions, optimizing their position for survival. Think of it as a very, very slow dance for light. They can also feel and react to danger. When an insect starts chewing on a leaf, some trees don't just sit there and take it. They release specific chemical compounds into the air. These airborne signals act as a warning to other trees nearby, telling them to ramp up their own chemical defenses to make their leaves less tasty to the invaders. It's an incredible neighborhood watch system. Now let's talk about the sheer power of a tree. A single large, leafy tree can act as a giant water pump. Trees are literally the planet's natural air conditioners. You might think trees just stand there 24/7, but they do have a daily rhythm. At night, many trees will subtly relax their branches, letting them droop slightly. This helps them conserve energy for the next day of photosynthesis. It's their version of winding down after a long day's work. Trees also have a form of memory. When a tree survives a period of drought, a major storm, or a pest infestation, it remembers the event. If a similar threat occurs in the future, the tree is able to react more quickly and effectively, having learned from its past experiences. This resilience is key to their long-term survival. This all comes together to create what scientists call a forest community. It's not just a collection of individual trees. It's a superorganism. Older, more established trees, often called mother trees, act as hubs in the underground network. They support the younger saplings growing in their shade by sending them the food and nutrients they need to survive until they can reach the sunlight themselves. And of course, we can't forget their most famous job, cleaning our air. They are the best air purifiers in the world, absorbing harmful carbon dioxide and other pollutants, trapping dust and particulates on their leaves, and releasing the very oxygen we need to breathe. Even when a tree dies, its job isn't over. A dead tree becomes a vibrant new ecosystem, providing a home and food for countless birds, insects, fungi, and small animals. In nature, nothing is ever wasted. So, the next time you walk through a park or a forest, take a moment to really look at the trees around you. They are not just silent giants. They are communicators, protectors, and the quiet powerful engineers that keep our world alive. Without them, life on Earth simply wouldn't be possible. Thanks for watching. If you found these facts as amazing as I did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our natural world. See you next time.